Charot lang. Hi guys, I'm Juliana and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you what's inside my bag Athlete Edition. As you can see, I'm wearing UST jersey, throwback atong Uni Games. I think that was 2016 or 2018. A UST track and field player gave me his jersey. Yeah, I know, right? Anyway, Kuya, if you're watching this video, thank you sa jersey. Yeah. And I hope to see you again soon. Char! During my high school days, I usually bring 2 bags every day. One is my school bag and one is my training bag. Like, just imagine, every day bring 2 bags. Diba, kapuyo na nabay. Promise. Buat you guys, I promise. Buat you guys. Yeah. Every day, bag yun eh. Every day. 2 bags every day. Kapuyo. Ang problema po, good. Kaya wala ko yung locker. Yeah, wala ko yung locker atong high school ako. And wala ko yung komputangan. So like, every day yung kong gadala-dala aning bag. OMG. Anyway guys, let's start. So first in my bag is my rubber shoes. Yeah. Let's put that there. Next is my hat. I don't know why I always bring hat, but yeah. Parang ganun. Next is my headphones para dili na ako feel boring every time mag-jogging ko. Yeah. Next is my jacket. Yeah. Cinnamon jacket with my name on it. Lopez J. Actually, I made this design though. I made this design. Yeah. Of course, my jogging pants. Yeah. Para feel na ko na singot yung kay ko every time I'm jogging. Yeah, para ganun. And my water bottle. And next, my wallet. Of course, my cycling. Yeah. And my jersey. Yeah. Cinnamon jersey. My favorite jersey of all time. Char. Yeah, my favorite jersey. Yeah. And of course, every after training, na-join extra shirt. Yeah. Cinnamon track and field. And with the name Sprinter. Yeah. I am a sprinter, guys. So yeah. Of course, my sports bra. And my spike shoes. Spike shoes. I always bring 2 spikes in case if someone will borrow or in case if someone doesn't have any spikes. So yeah, I always bring 2 spike shoes. Of course, my deodorant. Yeah. And ID, just in case for emergency, always bring your ID. And alcohol. And of course, my phone. So guys, these are all my things inside my bag, athlete edition. And guys, please like and subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. And hope to see you all again soon. Stay safe and God bless you.